Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I am your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we're gonna be cooking up some amazing smoked fried chicken thighs. They're gonna be incredible. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that here in just a minute. So, who is coming over tonight? Guys, we have Ian Atkinson. He's gonna be playing some bass for us tonight. Alex Sears, that is gonna be playing some keys for us. Steve Wheeler on guitar. Chris Underdahl coming in tonight on guitar as well, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom! All right, so we have some skin on, bone in chicken thighs. Let's get cracking. So we're gonna pat these dry, and we're gonna be putting on some BBQ Jams rub. Use whatever kind of rub you want. Then we're gonna be popping them on the green egg with an indirect cook at about 275. Okay, going on with some BBQ Jams rub. Okay, we've got our rub on. Now it's time to go on the pit. All right, we will see you guys back here in a minute. Like and subscribe. Check out these jams, guys. It's incredible. All right, come on. All right, we are up to temp. We're gonna pull these. We're gonna let them rest on this rack for about 10 minutes. We're gonna be using some potato starch along with some BBQ Jams rub. And then we're gonna be popping them into some beef tallow and frying them up. All right, cool. Okay, guys. We're gonna let these rest for about 10 minutes. We'll see you guys back here. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. Come on, let's get involved, people. All right, so let's go ahead and make a dredge. We're gonna be using some potato starch. See, we're gonna do the whole can. There we go. And we're also gonna throw in some BBQ Jams rub, because why not? Perfect. We're gonna give that a mix, and then we're going to be popping these thighs in here, and then putting it in the beef tallow over here. So here we go. Okay, so we are going to put our chicken into this slurry, basically. So we have our potato starch, we have some BBQ Jam seasoning, and we're gonna grab one of our thighs and we're just gonna dunk it right in. Push it all the way around. We have our oil, by the way, the tallow set to 325 as far as our temp goes. We're gonna set this guy right into the oil. Cool. We're gonna let that one just do its thing. We're gonna do another one. We're gonna give us a couple of minutes on each side, and then we're gonna be pulling, we're gonna be eating. So you guys hang tight. All right, going in for the flip. Are you guys ready to flip out? Here we go. Or flip in, flip over. Beautiful. All right. All right, we're all fried up. Time to pull. Here we go, guys. Chicken is ready. I'm gonna bring the guys on. We're gonna chow down. By the way, I wanna give a quick shout out to my buddy Anthony over at Yellow Rose Barbecue. He's hooking us up with some of this amazing cornbread and also some incredible potato salad as well. Thank you very much, Anthony. We're going in right now though. So we've got, hey, who do we have over here? We have Chris Underdahl. Come on down. You excited? What's up, brother? Yes, exactly.
Born excited.
All right, dude, this is gonna be something else. It's gonna be incredible. We also have Ian Atkinson over here. Come on down, baby. What's up?
Are you back?
Yeah, brother, absolutely. Hey, we also have Alex Sears over here. Come on down, Bubba. How's it going? Come on.
Thank you for having me back.
Yeah, of course. And we have Steve Wheeler. Come on down, Steve Wheeler. Come on, man. Hey, so without further ado, guys, we're gonna get involved with some of this chicken, so come on in.
Oh.
This thing looks incredible. We do have napkins over here. We are civilized somewhat over here, so.
It's either hot or it's just that cold.
It is pretty cold. I'll hook you up as well, and for myself. So, let's grab a piece and go. I'm just gonna grab this guy right here on top. Oh my God. Hope you guys are excited. I'm gonna move out of the way.
Never move out of the way.
Never change. And they are bone in, by the way.
They are bone in, skin on.
That's the only way to have it. It's the only way to fly.
These were smoked and fried and gravified. So,
Smoked, fried, gravy.
cheers. Chicken cheers, everybody.
Who wants to chuck mine?
Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
That
Unbelievable.
is something very special.
Wow.
Special might be an understatement.
Whoa.
I want to coat my whole house.
Will, I think you about done yourself. This is like my 4th or 5th barbecue jam, and this might be my favorite.
Oh, all right. Cool. I like
Chicken
that.
thigh, gravy, onions. How could you go wrong?
Hey, I can't take all the credit. My buddy Anthony over there at Yellow Rose, was like, dude, throw some gravy on these. I'm like, all right, we're gonna go gravy. We gotta go.
You know, on Thanksgiving, I normally drink gravy straight from the boat.
Mm.
Yeah,
I think a lot of people do. I
think-
think, dude, this is insane.
Anytime there's gravy, you drink it straight from the boat.
Yeah.
St. Augustine, baby.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Mmm.
I got gravy all over my face. This is incredible.
Yeah. It's not that kind of program.
Yeah, I know, you're right. Hold on, I am back up. Guys, we are getting involved with some of this chicken. It's incredible. Please give this a shot. Oh my God. We're gonna go ahead and kill this off. We're gonna catch you guys back here in a little bit for some of these jams. And yeah, y'all need to get involved with some of this chicken. Oh my God. All right, guys, oh my God, what a show tonight. You guys have got to get involved with some of those chicken thighs. What'd y'all think of those chicken thighs? Were they incredible?
Oh, I love a good thigh.
Insane, yes, we all do, yes, and especially with gravy on it. I mean, woo, guys, wow, what a show. Guys, please like, subscribe, get involved. We're having a ball over here. Until next time, let's get involved, guys. Woo!